Hey, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. The market has closed up now on this Monday, January 9th. Just want to do a quick little video on the market here and a couple things. All last week and then some, the SPY here has just, let me get my tool out. Darn it, sorry I wasn't prepared. There we go. We've just played around inside this box here. That's all we've done. And, you know, half the traders out there, or a fair amount of traders out there, were hoping for a breakout. And there was a fair amount of traders that was hoping for a breakdown out of this box area. Well, we got the breakout. And then today, we put in this shooting star candle that, you know, we certainly may see a pullback here. But for the most part, we are still broken out to the long side. Now, I'm not Mr. Bullish here. I am not yet. But what could happen is we go ahead and pull back, and it's possible the bulls find their way up into something like that. We still have an awful lot of resistance up here that we need to get through. What I'm watching for is about this 384.20 area. Are we going to come down and break down through it? In which case, I will be definitely on the bearish side. And especially if we get through these lows, definitely on the bearish side with that. But if we come back and find a little support, find some buyers in here, and we start to move to that upside, well, we're going to have to be careful with those shorts. Now, I'm not going to be full-blown long, but I sure would be careful with those shorts right there. Okay, with that said, let's look at a couple other things. Today we closed out our XLF. I think most of you know that I was long this, and this morning I had said we get up into this 356 to 358.88 area. I'm going to close it, and that's exactly what I did up there. We closed that up, God, I forget what it was. There it is, 18% on XLF. So now what I'm looking for is another buy. I'm not ready to be short on it until the chart starts to look short. Now we're up here in a bunch of resistance, and keep in mind that the banks do report at the end of the week here, so that could be something very telling for XLF. Earlier today, we took some SPY puts as we were moving up into this area here. What I did is I took two different SPY puts, one a little longer term and one just out till January. And I ended up closing that one that I took in January because we were up a nice profit. Oh, let's see, we closed out a little bit at 21%, and we closed the rest of it out at 18%. So very good on those. That was just a day trade. And then we're still holding the little March puts out there. We'll just kind of watch that. What I want to show is why I did those. And we follow 2123. It's a indicator chart in TC2000. If you use TC2000, it's there for you. We follow this on the 15-minute and the hourly pretty heavily. You know, no reason to keep that. And what I had said this morning to everybody in the trading room, you know, the market gapped up, right? So we gap up, and I said the first sign I get that this T2123 is starting to roll, I'm going to buy some SPY puts, and that's just what it showed right in here. Now, let's go look at the SPY. So we gapped up, but keep in mind we ran right into a resistance area. So it was, you know, just a really good entry using that one little indicator to help to show that the market was losing some of its top end momentum here. So if you have TC2000, check it out. Try that T2123. If you have any questions, join us in the trading room. I'd love to share it with you and maybe give some tips or, things I've learned about it. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it very much. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Click that subscribe and that bell there to subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? Hey, thanks everybody. We'll see you later.